favorite opinion is to use startpage.com. It does not have AI mode. It does not have any AI overlay features. Best of all, no AI generated advertising or promoted content that spread leakers. Just search for any content ideas like traveling or doing anything fun and you can enjoy it. Of course, it is easy with just a few keywords except prompts and you're good to go. Try startpage.com instead of Google. Of course, big tech giants should be aware of OpenAI, Tencent, which they made Kling models, Google, Meta Platforms, Anthropic. They funded over trillion US dollars in criminal proceedings as a terrorist organization, crimes like gangsters, and they also create for illegal purposes, but also fight dance. We're talking legal issues and ramifications using AI tools. Of course, you notice you have to be very careful of it, so stay away from AI chatbot services and keep really continue creating for real. Do not ask AI chatbots or services, and do not hack YouTube AI channels that was replacing with older videos. Because of this, one user or profile gets hacked and replaced with AI videos as of this year, and it keeps getting massive spread like wildfire generated with AI. Of course, number of victims attacked using AI chatbots was created approximately more than 150,000 people in late 2025, and in early 2026 it just keeps getting worse and worse every year. So we're talking about taking legal lawsuits against Google, OpenArt.ai, Topview, and also Midjourney, because they sending a official warning this service will be shutting down due to some legal issues, charges for copyright infringement, unfair competition, and also commit to racketeering and money laundering for illegal AI services, charges user subscriptions as it is, and that could be caused a result of damages we made, total about 1.92 trillion US dollars, which is today as about 25 trillion Vietnamese dong. And the service that will be shutting down over the next 6 years. And the AI massive loophole and wildfire is gone in 2033. The follow-up of the real dangers of AI-generated content on YouTube. Because of this, YouTube has to build over more than 30 million users daily. Users created with over more than 30 million users experience anything for the web, iOS, Android, and even on the cloud. Because of this, YouTube, since the past year, they won't have any of these AI-generated content over the cloud, on the web, on the internet, and the user-generated content made with AI, everything else, just like that. And we're talking about the bigger problem and the dark side we hear. We're talking about later in the second presentation. So I'll show you that in a later. Over the course of the next internet generation, from the next 5 years, everything has been changed. Users who have delisted or set their private videos on YouTube, everything is going to become a biggest sad news for everyone. AI-generated content, and AI-created advertising that was powered by the internet experiences, which is to be harmful. And of course, talking with that, we're talking about legal issues and ramifications using generative AI. Of course of this, everything that was built to the cloud was AI data centers, and we're talking about legal lawsuits against these 3 companies. OpenArt.ai, Midjourney, and also OpenAI. We're talking about the legal issues of this thing. Topview, Midjourney, and also OpenArt.ai has faced many legal issues. They contacted with Motion Picture Association of America, and the World Intellectual Property Organization, or WIPO, has decided an arbitrary content disputes. Because of this, users have received complaints about generating content that was infringing on people's copyrights, trademarks, or content that also violate legal rights of others, including publicity rights and intellectual property rights. Of course, users will be aware of they go into the dark side, because using AI services or anything like this from Midjourney, OpenArt, and Topview are used for criminal and malicious activity purposes. We're talking about gangsters, terrorists, and funded, promoted criminal organization crimes. They profit and they generated content over AI slot customers, and it creates a bigger harmful users for everyone. If you're not talking about this issue like this, consider this. We're just talking about the AI generated content that real dangers we now have. So Google has launched AI Overview as of 2025. Because of this, they become now as Perplexity style like, and after this, they user have received controversy. We just go to a different site like startpage.com. Everything I would like it because of this too. As always, to help protect internet users and ongoing legal threats against creating content made with AI, you must be aware of pirated AI generated content hurts customers, consumers, business economy, and also the revenue itself. Don't ask or create content using AI tools and services like OpenArt, Topview, and also Midjourney to produce prohibited content that includes violent or sexual offensive content, promoting copyright infringement or illegal content, and otherwise promoting potentially content that violates people, others, intellectual property, and legal rights of others. And that is, stay away from AI services right now. And always grab your old phone and get creative with old videos, and then bring it into your video editor as you like. Thank you for everyone supporting us.